uMzwandile Masina kanye noTK Nciza babe nobudlelwane obuhle ngesikhathi bebambe izikhundla zokuba usihlalo kanye nonobhala eEkhuruleni okuyisifunda seqembu esikhulu eGauteng. Lokhu kubonakala ezingxoxweni zokubusa ngokubambisana ne-EFF kanye namanye amaqembu. uMasina waphikisana nomyalelo wekomidi lengamele esifundazwe wenza isiphakamiso sokungabethembi ubuholi bemeya yas'Ekurhuleni. Leli qembu lithi uMasina uphazamise ukusebenza kwalo ukwehluleka ukulandela umyalelo othi avotele ilungu le-EFF.
The PC has taken a firm decision that actions must be taken against the chairperson of the region of Ekurhuleni that has brought the ANC into disrepute and the provincial working committee that has been mandated to deal with the matter urgently.
I-ANC isijube unobhala wesifundazwe kanye nethimba elibhekele ukusebenza kweqembu eGauteng ukuba bathathele uMasina izinyathelo zokuqondiswa izigwegwe. uNciza uthi iqembu angeke lidansele isiginci somuntu oyedwa ethi kungani abaholi besifunda belindele ukuthi i-EFF ibavotele kepha bona abafuna ukwenza okufunwa yiqembu.
Why must other parties vote for us and we don't vote for them? We say this is revolutionary. What is revolutionary about that? What is that? The reality is that the neoliberal parties are forming themselves to take the ANC out of power. What is our answer to that as the African National Congress? Well thought strategy by the ANC in the province. We had an opportunity and we still have an opportunity to create a model for coalitions and make them work. And we are not going to be derailed by anybody. We are not going to allow it.
Abaholi be-ANC kulesifundazwe bathi lisekhona ithemba njengoba bezovuselela izingxoxo ne-EFF ngemizamo yokuhlenga ubudlelwane bokusebenzisana phakathi kwalamaqembu omabili.